So right now I'm trying out a brand new filament, and I need to go back to PLA and PETG with it, and I need to clean out the nozzle for my printer. So 3D Fuel actually came out with this basically this filament cleaner with it. It's this nice clear, almost like filament type kind of thing, and you just put this here through there and you run it through, and it basically grabs on everything that's inside of your nozzle and around it, and it cleans it out for you. So if you ever have like those stubborn kind of, nozzle issues and stuff like that, clean it out and then also run this through there too. That also helps. It's also a great way to use it whenever you are switching between colors and you want that color to bleed in, or if you're changing between filaments, filament types and things, because you don't want those right there to kind of run in. I actually just had that problem just a couple of minutes ago, and I was like, you know what, I should do a video on this because I was just going from PLA to a PET CTG with it, and I noticed when the bed changed over, I still had a little bit of PLA showing up on there, and that should not be happening because those two right there do not play nice. So let's go ahead. Actually, it plays a little bit nicer than PETG, but anyways, that's beside the point. I'm going to show you guys how to use this real quick. And if you guys want to grab some for yourself, I do have a link down in the description down below. So let's head on over. Let's do the Creality High. So I went ahead and I removed my tube already from here just to be able to do this with you guys. And I'm going to stick this right here basically in to that slot. It should show me blue up there, but I can also push in a little bit like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just run an extrusion on here. And that way it's going to pull this right here through. It's going to grab everything that it has with it and go down that route. So let me go ahead and run that real quick. So right now I have the nozzle heating up. This is just going to go through your normal extrusion. You can't run this through here through like a CFS or anything like that with it, or even a single, but you're just going to go ahead and stick it in there without your tube, run through extrusion, and you'll still have plenty up here too. And you can either just cut it off, run it through, or go ahead and hook it all back up again, and then this year eventually run through with it, do an extrusion on your color, on your next color you're going to use with it a couple times, and you should be good to go. But this is designed for 1.75 millimeter, which is basically just the standard size that pretty much most of our filament comes in, that you would typically be printing with anyways. And you're going to see up here now, this is going through the extrusion process. See, it's just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And right now I'm going to try to catch, I don't even know what color was in there before. I think it might have been yellow maybe. And the goal is to get it to the clear. Yep, it's yellow. So that first one right there, we had yellow. You can see it's going all the way down through. And now this one's yellow, but now we're getting through the clear stuff. And as soon as I see it's all clear, we should be good to go. And it should use that entire stick all the way down through, and it should have grabbed all of that material for me, cleaned out that nozzle. There we go. So now you're going to see the big difference here real quick. If I pull this here apart, the beginning still had a little bit of yellow, and then I went all the way to the very end, and I'm completely clear now with it. So this cleaned out all of that color. So if you ever have it to where your color is constantly like has something else in there, there might be a little bit of filament stuck in there of that color that's kind of melting in with your filament with it. So just a great way to go ahead and clean out your nozzle right here with it. This is by 3D Fuel. Again, I have a link down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video right there. It was just some maintenance I had to do, so I figure you guys might want to come along with it too and just check out this amazing cleaner right here that 3D Fuel has. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. I was going to try and put out as much content as I can for you guys, builds and little tutorials and things like that all the time. Make sure you guys check out this next video right there, and I'll check you guys out over there next.